Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. So now we are seeing our Goodwill Commodities charting platform. Yesterday what we expected was, yesterday we had a weekly projection and we made it very clear that the 6000 and 6020. This is going to be the major supporting zone. If the price is trading above 6000 and 6020, the blue color box which we had mentioned, it has got the ability to try and test 6122. This is going to be one of the most and major resistance in crude oil. So it can be just a pullback towards 6000 from 6020 to 6120, and from 6120 the market will decide the trend. That was our clear expectation. Now let us see what happened after that. Yesterday we had posted our weekly outlook for crude oil. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This was the area where the price opened yesterday, around 6030. We know that it was just staying above this zone of 6020 and 6000. It is a perfect example how the market is developing a platform so that it can move above. So that is what happened on 25th of October. It developed a clear platform. So now you can see after the price opening, the market is just touching 6020. It's giving a bounce back. So many times the market formed this as a support and slowly entered and tried to hit the resistance of 6060. Again it found a resistance, so the price came down. Clearly you can see the price was taking a very good support in 6020, and our charting platform has got the ability to provide you some valuable signals, and it indicated that the price can likely come down. But this is the area which we made it very clear our charting platform will take the market momentum into account, and our video presentation will put a strong hold on levels, support, resistance and the pivot zones and also the target zones. So if you mix both the things, then you can expect a very good result from trading. So now you can see that it took a great support around 6020, and straight away it's a bounce back towards 6060 to hit the resistance. What it is trying to do is that it formed a platform here, so it want to hit the resistance and want to move towards 6120. That was our weekly expectation also. Slowly and steadily it tried and broke the zone, and you can see nearly 6110 it went, and again it found a resistance. So the price consolidated here and closed around 6090. So everything went according to our plan. So this is what we expected yesterday, and that's what happened yesterday also. But we want to make one thing very clear, that since the price had bounced from 6000 zones, we know that this is going to be a very key psychological zone. If you go back and see our video presentations on the last week, you can notice that we made it very clear 6000 is going to be a big psychological zone, and we had explained it everything in detail why this is going to be the important zone. But at just a single day price closing above the price opening is just giving us an indication, but it is not a confirmation for trend reversal. That is what we want to make and stress this. Only if the price is staying above the 6120, which is going to be the decision zone. This is the area which decides the trend. You know the reason behind that. Yesterday in our weekly presentation I had made it very clear. If you have any doubt, you can go back and see that. So this is the area where the market will find the trend. This is going to be one of the most and major important resistance zone. So only if the price is staying continuously above 6120, then we can expect the market had completely reversed its trend. Till then it is just a retracement and a pullback. So we made it very clear this is going to be the zone you should watch. For now, let us see what we can do today. Today the expected price opening can be more or less near or below 6090. We are predicting the price opening based on IMAX price direction that may be subjected to changes based on some rupee factor, since we are posting this video presentation very earlier. So there may be minor changes, but it is expected to stay below 6090, that is yesterday's price closing, or near this zone. There may not be much difference in the price opening. So what are the possible outcomes for buying and selling? Now let us analyze. If there is real buying happening in the market, so there are so many buyers who want to push the price above 6120. What are the various possible outcomes? The market will form 6066, this line which we had marked, as a very good support, and it will continuously have a closing above 6060. Whatever might be the consolidation, the market will have a closing above 6060 or a closing above 6120 can give a clear identification, that indication that the price can move up. But this is for buying. If there is any buying, these are the criteria the market should satisfy. How it developed the 6000 and 6020 as a platform for major support, it will have the 6066 as an intermediate support zone, and it will try to close above 6066, or even it should try to close about 6120, so that it can pull more buyers into action. This is the possibilities for buying. If there is selling in the market, if we consider that whatever happened on yesterday's market is just a retracement or profit booking in crude oil market, since the market is dropping from 7000 rupees, what will happen? The market will test this 6120 to complete the price action, then it will fell and it will close below 6060, so that the price will automatically come and test the 6000 zone again. So it will come and test this zone, then we will decide on seeing what is happening around the 6000 and 6020 zone, then we can decide on that. So these are the two possible outcomes for trading in crude oil. So we had made it very clear what are the key resistance and support zones. Our charting platform will do the rest in identifying the price action, where the momentum is going, by giving you automatic trade signals, valuable trade signals. So repeatedly we are saying that if you want to be very successful in trading commodities, what you need to do is that two things: follow our video presentation and then follow the charting tool which we are providing. If you can mix both the things, and if you can trade seeing the levels and everything, you can be a successful trader. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session today. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.